Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin seed and coconut milk. This is a great combination of nuts and seeds with some important nutrients, so stay tuned. So to make this milk, I'll be making use of pumpkin seed. I have about 200 grams of pumpkin seed. You can leave it to soak for about 4 hours or more. So after soaking it for about 4 hours or more, you can notice that the water has changed color. I'm going to rinse it. So when I'm done rinsing the pumpkin seed, I will set aside. I'll be using coconut. I'm not going to be adding much coconut. So I'm going to remove the coconut from the shell, then wash it and cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. So when I'm done cutting the coconut, I will set aside. I will sweeten this drink with dates. So I've already removed the seed. You can decide to use any sweetener of your choice. I'll also add the coconut into the blender and also the pumpkin seed. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water into the blender. You can decide to add more or less depending on how thick or light you want the milk. Then I'm going to blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to strain to get the milk. So I'm going to pour the blended coconut and pumpkin seed mixture into the nut milk bag. Then with a clean washed hand, I'm going to squeeze to get the milk. But if you don't like squeezing your milk, you can check out my video on how to extract your nut milk using a juicer. Pumpkin seed milk is high in vitamin E. It also contains magnesium, zinc, and healthy fat. The pumpkin seed is ready. You can use the leftovers to bake. Store in a glass jar and keep in the fridge for at least 3 days. Please always remember to shake well before serving. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this pumpkin seed and coconut milk. This is a great combination of nuts and seeds with some important nutrients. And thank you all for watching.